Field mapping is a powerful tool that syncs your CRM data to Mailchimp. With this data synced to Mailchimp, you can use Mailchimp's segmenting features, send more targeted automation campaigns, and easily use Mailchimp merge tags to personalize your campaigns. Here are the steps for syncing data from your CRM to Mailchimp using SugarChimp's field mapping tool. So the first step in field mapping is creating your merge tags in Mailchimp. You do this by navigating to the audience that you're looking to sync and clicking Settings. You'll then select Audience Fields and Merge Tags. The type of field you create is based upon the type of field you're bringing over from your CRM, so reference our field mapping reference guide to determine the right solution. Today we're going to go ahead and create a text field. So I'll click Add a Field, I'll select the text field. You'll see that it's been added, but now I can go ahead and edit it by adding the name. You'll notice that there's also some other options here. So this required column determines whether or not when someone's using your sign-up form, if this field is required for them to fill out. The visible column determines whether or not when someone comes to edit their profile, if this field is visible. Because I don't really need them to update this for any reason, I'm just bringing the data over from my CRM, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this box. This next column determines whether or not you want to personalize the tag that appears. So instead of merge for, I'm going to write state because that's the name of my field, and it'll make personalizing campaigns a little bit easier later. Then you'll click Save Changes. Once you're done with that, you'll navigate over to your CRM, and you'll go to the admin page to use our field mapping tool. To find that, you just scroll to the bottom within your SugarChimp section and click Field Mapping. If you have more than one audience, you'll want to use the drop-down here to select the audience that you want to work with. I only have this one, so I'll just leave it be. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the fields from Mailchimp, including the one we just created. Because this list is syncing contacts, I'm going to use the contacts column to go ahead and select the field that I want to match that field to. When I'm done, I'll click Continue. If I'm ready to resync and begin the process of moving that data from my CRM to Mailchimp, I can go ahead and queue a resync now, or I can just save the mapping, don't start a resync, and I can always come back later to do that if I need to.